Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I will share a beautiful English story called Taming Tigers and Hearts. This story teaches us a very important lesson. With patience, love, and kindness, we can heal even the most difficult hearts. Now, let's listen to the story together in easy English. Kim and Min-ho lived in a small village. They were a happy couple. Everyone in the village knew their love. But then war came. Min-ho went away to fight. He said, "Wait for me. I will come back." 3 years later, he returned, but he was not the same man. He walked with a limp. He had bad dreams at night. He shouted and fought in his sleep. Small sounds made him afraid. Kim tried everything. She cooked his favorite food. She sang songs. She made special tea. But Min-ho did not smile. He only said, "Leave me alone." Kim was very sad. She wanted her husband back. One day she heard about a wise hermit. She went to see him and said, "Please help my husband." The hermit said, "I can help, but you must bring me one thing, a whisker from a living tiger." Kim was shocked. "That is impossible," she said. But she decided to try. She cooked rice with beef and put it near the tiger's cave. At first, the tiger did not touch the food, but after many days, the food was gone. Every day she brought more food. Slowly, the tiger came closer. It watched her. It listened to her soft voice. After many weeks, the tiger trusted her. One day, Kim touched the tiger's head. She asked softly, "May I have one whisker?" The tiger bent its head. Kim carefully cut one whisker. "Thank you," she whispered. She ran to the hermit. "I did it. Make the potion, please." But the hermit threw the whisker into the fire. Kim shouted, "Why did you do that?" The hermit asked, "How did you get the whisker?" Kim explained she was patient, kind, gentle, and careful. The hermit smiled. "Good. A tiger is wild, but a human heart is harder. If you could heal the tiger with patience, you can heal your husband the same way." Kim understood. She went home. She gave Min-ho food, but did not force him. She spoke kindly, but did not push him. Slowly, he began to trust again. One spring evening, Min-ho took her hand and said, "I am trying to come back to you." Kim smiled and said, "I will wait for you every day." Far away, a tiger roared in the mountains. It was not a roar of danger, but a roar of hope. This story teaches us something very important. With patience, love, and kindness, we can heal broken hearts, just like taming a wild tiger. Thank you for listening to this English story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English stories and lessons. See you in the next video.